How to change the power mode in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. First, open up the Start menu and then search for Power and Sleep Settings, and then click on the first result. Now on the left side you should see Additional Power Settings. Click on it, or at the bottom for Windows 11, and from here you should be able to select your power mode or power plan, from balanced to high performance to power saver. It depends on what you want. So for example, high performance gives you the best performance at the cost of energy, or you can choose power saver to save power, but this will also reduce your performance. For Windows 11 computers, you should find this under the settings. If you go to settings and then power and battery, and from there you should be able to choose the power mode for plugged in and on battery modes. And you can also customize the power plan by going to this page for the power options and click on change plan settings. And from here you can customize how long it takes to turn off the display to save energy, or you can set it to never if you don't want to turn off the display after a certain amount of time. And you can also put the computer to sleep after a certain period of inactivity, or you can disable it to keep the computer running. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.